Long time ago, once a man went to a Zen monk and said, "How can I be happy?" Hearing this, the Zen monk asked him to come with him to the forest. The man agreed. They both started walking toward the forest. When they were in the forest, the Zen monk asked the man to pick up a stone that was lying there. The man picked up the stone. Both started walking again while the man was still holding that stone in his hand. After walking for a while, the man said to the Zen monk, "Zen monk, my hand is hurting." The Zen monk said, "Okay, then you can put this stone down." After a while, the Zen monk asked, "How are you feeling now?" The man replied, "I am happy. After throwing the stone, I am not feeling that much pain in my hand. I feel much better." At this, the Zen monk said, "This is the secret to happiness. This way you can live happily." The man was confused and asked, "I don't understand." The Zen monk smiled and said, "People lift so many stones in their life and keep walking with them, then how can they be happy? Therefore, if you want to be happy, then you have to throw away such stones which give you pain." In life we all carry around emotional baggage that can weigh us down and prevent us from being happy. The stones in the story represent the negative thoughts, feelings, and experiences that we hold on to. When we hold on to these stones, they can cause us pain and prevent us from living our lives to the fullest. If we want to be happy, we need to let go of the stones that are weighing us down. This doesn't mean that we have to forget about our past or pretend that it didn't happen. It simply means that we need to accept our past and learn from it, so that we can move on and live our lives in the present moment. It's not always easy to let go of the stones. Sometimes, we may feel like we need to hold on to them in order to protect ourselves. But the truth is, holding on to these stones only hurts us in the long run. When we let go of the stones, we free ourselves to experience happiness and joy. If you learned something valuable from this story, do like, subscribe and comment on the video.